What if, instead of this, you could do this? With Voucherify, you can build personalized promotions faster than ever before. Leverage business data using one-time API integration to create relevant promotional experiences, making sure that your offers behave exactly the way you want them to. Cutting on promotion spend by targeting customers with the highest CLV? Done. Targeting specific geofans with coupons? No problem. Setting up rigid limits to secure your budget? Done and done. Our promotion engine lets you choose who gets the offer and under what conditions, allowing you to focus on what's really important, your core offer and its optimization. With a flexible API, you can significantly minimize tasks that require technical know-how. While Voucherify does the heavy lifting behind the scenes, your team can create and manage campaigns on their own without asking developers for constant support. From simple coupons to multi-level loyalty programs, we've got it all. Just select the campaign type, define the limits, share the offer with customers, and finally, analyze what works and what doesn't. All without leaving the dashboard. Easy, as it should be. With secure and reliable infrastructure, we help hundreds of clients run mission-critical projects, handling millions of requests every day. With a range of enterprise-first features, we are ready to scale your promotions through any load. Sign up for a free plan to set up your first campaign with Voucherify. We can't wait to see what you build.